Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn very interesting thing in maths today. Let's see what it is. Now look at this picture of a tree. There are 5 apples on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now one apple fall from the tree. How many apples are left on the tree? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 apples left on the tree. Now, if one more apples fall from the tree, how many apples are left on the tree? Let's count with me. 1, 2 and 3. So, there are only 3 apples left on the tree. One more apple falls from the tree. So how many apples are left on the tree? 1 and 2. Only 2 apples are left on the tree. Out of these 2 apples, one more apple falls from the tree and only 1 apple is left on the tree. And in the last, this apple also falls from the tree. So how many apples are left on the tree? No apples on the tree. That means we have 0 apples on the tree. And 0 is nothing. When we have nothing, we say we have 0. There are 0 apples left on the tree. Wow! Santa has come to give away gifts. You know, we get very excited. Wow! Santa has come to give away gifts. Santa brings gifts for children. How many children are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many gifts Santa has brought? Let's count. 1, 2 and 3. Santa has brought 3 gifts with him. Santa has given one gift to a little boy. Now how many gifts are left with Santa? 1, 2. Only 2 gifts are left with Santa. Santa gave away one more gift to the other boy. Now only one gift is left with Santa. This little girl has not got his gift yet. So Santa gave away this last gift to this little girl. And now how many gifts are left with Santa? 0. There are 0 gifts left with Santa. Look here, children. What is this? This is an anthill. And there are 6 ants on the anthill. Now all the ants went inside the anthill. How many ants are left on the anthill? No, nothing, 0. So we say there are no ants on the anthill. That means there are 0 ants on the anthill. Now we know that whenever we have nothing with us, we have a 0. And how do we write 0? It is Z-E-R-O. Now, let's learn the position of 0. Look at this number line. Here, the numbers are written from 0 to 9. Now, what is the position of 0? 0 is written before 1. So, whenever we will write numbers from 0 to 9, 0 will always come before 1. So children, by now we have learned the value of 0. When we have no objects with us, we say that we have 0 objects. I hope the value of 0 is clear to you. We have to remember one more thing, that when 0 is placed after a number, it changes the value of the number. So it is very important to see the place of 0. Alright children? Now open your Maths Express book, children. Come to page number 7. Lesson number 2, numbers up to 20. Look at this picture. There are 5 birds sitting on a branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's turn the page. Now 2 birds fly away. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 birds are left on the tree. So we'll write 3 in this box. Now again 2 birds fly away. So how many are left? Only one. So only one bird is left on the branch. The remaining bird also flies away. Now the branch is empty. So how many birds are there on the branch? No birds or 0 birds. Alright children, now you are going to trace 0 here and you are going to write the spelling of 0 in the space provided here. Bye bye.